Apple's highly anticipated iPad 11 is generating a significant amount of buzz, with tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting official details. While Apple has yet to confirm specifics, a host of rumors and leaks have surfaced, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect from this latest iteration of Apple's popular entry-level tablet. From potential design choices to processor upgrades and accessories, let's dive deep into everything we know so far. Expected release date: a spring launch? Speculation suggests that Apple will unveil the iPad 11 in March or April 2025, following its tradition of spring product launches. This timeline aligns with Apple's previous release cycles for the base iPad models, ensuring a steady update cadence. If this projection holds, it would mean an 18-month gap between the iPad 10 launched in October 2022 and the iPad 11, slightly longer than usual but still reasonable considering the product's target audience. Apple has historically refreshed its entry-level iPad every 1 to 2 years, making this expected time frame highly plausible. Additionally, the timing fits within Apple's broader product strategy, as it often uses its spring event to introduce updates to lower-cost devices such as the iPad and iPhone SE. Design: more of the same? For those hoping for a radical redesign, the iPad may 11th not bring much excitement. Leaks suggest that Apple will stick closely to the iPad 10's design, meaning the familiar flat-edged chassis, a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, and a USB-C port are all likely to remain. This consistency may be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it ensures a stable and functional design that aligns with Apple's modern iPad lineup. On the other, it means users looking for a fresh look may be disappointed. The lack of design changes could also indicate that Apple is focusing more on internal improvements rather than exterior aesthetics. Given that the iPad 10 already adopted a full-screen design without a home button, Apple might see no pressing need to alter its appearance significantly. Display: sticking to LCD? While OLED displays have been a hot topic for Apple's high-end iPads, the iPad 11 is expected to retain an LCD Liquid Retina display, similar to its predecessor. This means we can anticipate a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels, ensuring crisp visuals suitable for media consumption, gaming, and productivity tasks. Rumors have not indicated any major display technology upgrades, such as a switch to Mini LED or OLED. Apple likely reserves those enhancements for its Pro and Air models to maintain differentiation across its lineup. Processor: A16 Bionic or A17 Pro. One of the most intriguing aspects of the iPad 11 rumors revolves around its processor. Early reports suggested that Apple might equip the iPad 11 with the A17 Pro chip, which powers the latest iPad mini. This would mark a substantial leap in performance, especially with Apple Intelligence capabilities and advanced AI-driven features. However, newer leaks suggest a different possibility. An anonymous source claims that Apple will instead use the A16 Bionic chip, a more modest upgrade over the A14 Bionic found in the iPad 10. While the A16 lacks the AI optimizations of the A17 Pro, it still offers better efficiency, improved graphics performance, and faster processing speeds. For reference: iPad 10, A14 Bionic. iPad 11 rumored, A16 Bionic. The A16 would deliver smoother multitasking, improved gaming performance, and longer battery life, making it a worthwhile upgrade without significantly increasing costs. Additionally, the iPad 11 is rumored to feature 6 GB of RAM, up from the 4 GB in the iPad 10, further improving overall performance. Pricing: will Apple keep the $349 price? Pricing is always a hot topic when it comes to Apple products. The iPad 10 launched at $449 but was later reduced to $349 in May 2024, making it a more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The big question is whether Apple will maintain this lower price for the iPad 11 or return to the original $449 starting price. A price increase could be justified if Apple includes significant internal upgrades, like the A16 chip and more RAM. However, keeping the price at $349 would allow Apple to remain competitive in the increasingly crowded entry-level tablet market, where alternatives like Samsung's Galaxy Tab A series and Amazon's Fire Max tablets are gaining traction. Magic Keyboard update: a big productivity boost? Alongside the iPad 11, Apple is reportedly preparing to launch an updated version of the Magic Keyboard. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, this new accessory will further enhance the iPad's usability as a lightweight laptop alternative. Expected improvements include better ergonomics for more comfortable typing, A larger, more responsive trackpad. Potential new shortcuts to align with iPadOS productivity features. For students, professionals, and casual users, this could be a game changer. Apple has been positioning its iPads as viable productivity devices, and an improved keyboard accessory could push the iPad 11 closer to being a true laptop replacement. Software. iPadOS 17 and beyond. The iPad 11 will ship with iPadOS 17, ensuring access to Apple's latest software features. However, there has been little speculation about any exclusive iPad 11 specific features. While Apple has made strides in improving iPadOS for productivity, the base iPad often lacks some of the advanced multitasking tools found in the Pro models. Some expected software highlights include Stage Manager improvements, enhanced AI-powered suggestions, improved Apple Pencil integration. Apple could also introduce new education-focused features, given that the base iPad remains a favorite among students and schools. Final thoughts. A modest yet solid upgrade. The iPad 11 is shaping up to be a solid but not revolutionary update to Apple's entry-level tablet lineup. Key takeaways from the rumors include same 10.9-inch LCD, a 16 Bionic chip up from A14, potential RAM increase to 6 GB, Magic Keyboard refresh, uncertain pricing either $349 or $449. While it may not introduce groundbreaking changes, the iPad 11 is likely to appeal to users looking for a reliable, affordable, and well-optimized tablet for general use, education, and casual productivity. As always, these are just leaks and rumors. Apple may surprise us with additional features when the iPad 11 is officially announced.